Hi everyone, welcome back to Surya Law Academy. I'm Megha Sharma, your law mentor. Today I will be sharing how you can prepare for current affairs and GK section of CLAT, one of the most scoring sections if you plan it right. Whether you are a fresher starting your journey or a dropper aiming for a better rank, this video will help you to clear strategies, daily targets, and some secret tips to ace the section. First, what CLAT current affairs demands. Understand what it wants from you. This section focuses on contemporary events of significance, mainly last 8 to 10 months. Questions come through passages, usually around 350 to 450 words, followed by multiple choice questions. They test not just facts, but your understanding of context, legal angles, and implications. Tip number 1, read smart, not just small. Freshers start with the Hindu or the Indian Express, but don't try to read everything. Focus on international relation, environment, legal development, important government schemes, some major judgments, science, technologies which are relevant to the society. For droppers, refine your sources. Stick to one newspaper and a monthly compilation. Avoid wasting time on scattered material. My secret tip: CLAT loves layered questions. When you read a news item, ask yourself, what happened? Why is it significant? Does it affect laws, rights, or policies? Tip number 2, build notes the CLAT way. Make your mini files. You can make digital folders which are topic-wise. One for your legal current affairs, one for international organizations or summit, one for government schemes, reports. For freshers, spend around 20 minutes daily making these notes. And for droppers, update your own notes instead of starting from the scratch. Use timelines. CLAT loves asking, for example, when did this event happen? What was the major international summit about? Tip number 3, practice the passage-based questions. That is very important. Reading news is not enough. You have to solve passage-based MCQs on a daily basis. Set up your targets to do that. For freshers, you can keep it slow, understand the pattern, and for droppers, time your attempts. Just aim for accuracy with a combination of speed. You can use the past CLAT year papers, the ALT papers, or any trusted source of mocks like the Surya Law Academy. Tip number 4, revise. Revise, revise, revise. Make weekly revision plans. What you read this week, revise it on Sunday. Freshers can use monthly digest, cross-check if you have missed something. Droppers can create mini tests for yourself from your own notes. Don't fall trap into hoarding PDFs. Please stick to your own notes. Just one reliable source. Tip number 5, stay exam focused. Remember, CLAT isn't about some random trivia happening. It's just focusing on the important events, legal aspects, policies, laws. Freshers just avoid details. Droppers work on eliminating the options smartly during your practice. To close up, I would just say read smart. Not everything is important. Make revised structure note. Practice passage-based questions regularly. Stay focused. Legal, social impact on current affairs. Do let me know in the comments which part of current affairs do you find the toughest. Subscribe to our channel for more such details. All the very best to all of you, and thank you for watching the video. Let's crack CLAT together.